In this video, I am going to show you how to sum between multiple worksheets in Excel. It's really a simple process, but it can be done in two different ways that are easy to remember and will make your life much easier. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial channel, and today I am going to teach you how to sum between multiple worksheets in Excel, which sound really complicated but actually isn't hard at all. So we will use the two ways to do that. First will be the traditional way and second will be the shortcut for you. So let's get started. So here we have this Jan report of quantity sold of chips, bag, rice, chocolate, computer, etc. And we have also the Feb report here. We have March. We need to calculate or create a report for the quarter 1. So to do that, what we're gonna do is first, in a traditional way, just enter equal to operator to let the Excel know we're gonna calculate something here, and go to the Jan worksheet and click on the chips one, which is the B2, right? Now in the formula bar you need to enter plus here and go to the Feb and click on Feb chips B2 part, and again enter the plus operator here and go to the March and select the same, which is the quantity sold of chips and B2. Now click enter. There you get the sum of quantity sold of chips in quarter 1. Here we have created the quarter 1 report. Now if we just apply to all, it will just add all those values or references which we have mentioned in chips part. So this is the traditional way to add multiple worksheet amounts. So what if I tell you you can do that simply without browsing 1 2 3 here with the help of sum function? I know it's crazy, but you can do that, which is called the 3D reference. What you need to do is go to the Q1 report again and just delete this. We will type the sum function here, sum here. Now we will select the worksheet here. Okay, so the first worksheet, the sum we have to do is we do select from one range to another. Now we will select from one worksheet to another worksheet as ranges. So how are we gonna do that? In place of number, just type Jan here, right? And here's the 2 dot symbol here. Now select March, right? Now put the exclamation here, and as we know the chips are in the B2 part in all these worksheet, then you can just simply type B2 here and close the parenthesis. There you go. You get the same with the help of this but simple piece of formula. And now we apply to all. There you get the same answer with the little efforts without moving one worksheet to another worksheet. Now, so advantage of this function is if you add any sheet in between this, like from the Jan to March, the amount of quantity sold will be added automatically. Let's give example here. Let me add one sheet after Jan here, and just let me copy this data here and paste it here and rename it to Jan 2, like that. And if we go to the Q1 report, it will also add any number of sheets you mentioned between Jan to March in this particular sum. So it's good way if you have monthly or weekly data and you want to add, summarize something, the annual data or weekly or monthly data in the last worksheet. You can add multiple worksheets here, right? Just select the last one. For example, let me just give you one more way. Like here I have, let me include the December part here. Now let me copy this and just paste it here, right? And for now let me just, because we don't have a data for this December part, let me just put a 0 here, and there you go. So now suppose this data is for the April part, so it will be April. Now you have new data for here and rename this to the annual report, right? Now rename this new sheet to April and May. So let me copy this March values in the May part, right? Now go to the annual report and just edit this March to December, right? And click enter. So it will sum any number of sheets you enter between Jan to December. Here we have Jan to December, we have 2, we have added 2 more sheets, so it will add the sum of these particular sheets also. So in the next so on months you can add just sheets here and add this to like a June, add your June values here, and the annual report will be calculated automatically. So hope you get to know how you can sum between multiple worksheet, and you can also automate the task for the same. If you get the point, click the like button. If you have some questions in mind, you can also put in comment box. And if you want to know more about the Excel and cover more trick and tips about the Excel, you can also subscribe to this channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.